Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena and I'm back with another video. I know you guys were like, where are you? Why are you not making videos? So I am back. And guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about coronavirus, COVID-19. And let's talk about how did this start. I know it's like heartbreaking. Everybody is fallen sick. I feel so bad. So many people have been affected with this virus. So how did it start? So it started in Wuhan, in China. It started in the wet market where they used to sell live and dead animals, and usually those fish market, but because of hygiene issues, that's how it started, and it started affecting a lot of people in China, and now it's almost everywhere. We have to be really, really careful, and I'm going to tell you a few steps that you need to follow to stay away from this virus. So let's start. So guys, step one, what you need to do is sanitize. If you are out of the house, every 1 hour, please sanitize your hand. So this is the sanitizer I use. Just take it, keep using this. Make sure you have it in your bag if you're traveling. Even if you're at home, please sanitize your hands. And once you've come back, okay, from anywhere you go, just come home. First thing you do is wash your hand properly. I'm not saying just ऐसे हाथ धो लिया, okay? Wash, take soap, wash your hand properly. Especially these areas, just wash it very nicely. Take 2 to 3 minutes. It's fine. It's okay. Around say wash kar lo, and then you eat your food. Wash your hand and then you sanitize and then you eat your food. Make sure. And the second thing is about the mask. So a lot of people are like, no, you don't need to wear the mask. Only people who have like virus should wear the mask. So I think it's safe to wear a mask. That's what I do. I mean, I've taken a mask. I wanted to be safe. So with my mask, I've written my name, okay, here, Leena Gada LG, so that nobody else uses my mask. Even the family, make sure you use your own mask. And especially people who have a little bit of cold or fever or something, if you have, even if like it's just a normal cold, please wear a mask so that nobody else gets it. And if you're going to come in like close contact with somebody who has a cold or something, you should wear a mask. So that's why I've got my mask. And make sure that you replace your mask once it's become wet. Like if you are sweating a lot, then change your mask, get a new mask. Or if there's water or something on the mask, so get a new mask, wear a nice mask. And what you need to do, so once the coronavirus hits your throat, it takes 4 days to get into your lungs. So this time is very important. So what you have to do is drink hot water. This will just get rid of the virus. And also use lemon or vinegar and drink that. Drink like nimbu pani or hot water nimbu. Just put it and mix it well and drink it. It's really good for your health otherwise also. And gargle your mouth. You can really get rid of the virus in 4 days. So please make sure you follow these steps. And guys, I'm telling you, it's not important to go out right now. If it's very, very important, then only get out of the house. Stay home and stay safe. You can use this time, you can spend time with your family, you can get rid of the virus. And also use lemon or vinegar and drink that. Drink like nimbu pani or hot water nimbu. Just put it and mix it well and drink it. It's really good for your health otherwise also. And gargle your mouth. You can really get rid of the virus in 4 days. So please make sure you follow these steps. And guys, I'm telling you, it's not important to go out right now. If it's very, very important, then only get out of the house. Stay home and stay safe. You can use this time, you can spend time with your family. You can, watch a movie. Do your cupboard. If it's your cupboard is messy, fix it. Do makeup, try new things. Just stay at home. Use this time, spend time with your family, and don't go out. Especially don't work out right now. Let's just stay home for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Let everything calm down. And even if you want to go to the parlor, make sure you wear a mask, or the other person who's doing your facial or something is wearing a mask. I think right now it's not important. Watch my videos and do like all the DIYs that I've done. Y'all can try that, maybe use this time. And I will keep making new videos so that I can entertain you also. I can give you information. We can do a lot of makeup, skincare. So I will try and do that. And don't get out of the house, and let's just pray for everybody who's suffering, and I hope nobody else gets this virus. I just hope, Bhagwan, please ye sab khatam kar do now. And I'm praying for you guys also. You guys pray for me. Let's all stay safe. And if you have any more information about this virus, please let me know in the comment section below. This is all the information that I knew. I just wanted to share it with you guys. So let me know if there's anything else that I've not told you. So I will also read all your comments, and I'll get back to you. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you so much for all the love. I'm back again, and I love you guys. I will see you soon.